Ghana. Mu nema ne da mu yan zango cikin kasan Ghana. Yawa ce ma
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana Nsem TV so. But one more this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe we be from Mr. President Amajo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be we be from Mr. President Amajo so. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Ghana. Mu nema ne da mu yan zango cikin kasan Ghana. Yawa ce ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmud Bamiya. Dan zango ne kuma musulmi ne, mutunci ne gani da kai. Amma ce ma yau G0vernment dan zango ne, Nodna ne, Christian ne, kaskanci ne ga ni da kai. Kaskanci ne. So a ce kamar musulmi a haife shi cikin musulunci, ya tashi cikin zango, ya yi girma ya koma a sore. Kaskanci ne gani da kai. Akwai mutanen da suka duba G0vernment kawai suka yi ridda ma musulunci. Irin mutane kamar G0vernment kashe su yace ayi. Su bar duniya sam saboda akwai waɗanda hankalin su ce kasa. Tunda dai su da mutuncinsu da darajar da Allah ya ba su. Kaga musulmi mu Allah bai ba mu duniya ba. Allah aljanna ya gina muna. Saboda musulmi kana jin wahala cikin doron duniyan gaba laifi bane. Amma kaga an ne waɗansu kaman G0vernment. Allah ya ba shi duniya ne ya more ranar tashin alkiyama ya shiga wuta. Amma kaga musulmi Allah ya doka kan musulmi wallahi bonus ne. Kaga dokakan da Allah ya ma Alhaji Mahmud Bamiya da Samira Bamiya ga wallahi
ni party for.
Yeah.
Yeah, chicheni party for.
What's
Wase yeah, chicheni party for.
Musulmai support shi da cimu don wannan mutum Allah ya daraja shi kaman Samira Bamiya da Alhaji Mahmud Bamiya. Allah ya ba su duniya da lahira. Ba bakin ciki bane, ba hasada bane, ba kaman Allah bai son mu bane. Su Allah ya gan kaman sun cancanci Allah ya fifita su bisa kanmu ba hasada bane, malamin sunna ba hasada bane. Malamin tarika ba hasada bane, malamin shiya ba hasada bane. Allah shi ke so wanda yake so ya dokaka. Ba kai zaka ce Allah dokaka ba a'a. Allah ya gan kowa cikin kasar Ghana ya manta da kowa ya dokaka Samira Bamiya da Alhaji Mahmud Bamiya saboda ya san aikin da mu muke son su muna nan waɗannan mutane su ya su muna. Samira Bamiya Allah miki albarka. Ina son batun ki ba kan Samira Bamiya da Alhaji Mahmud Bamiya ni na yin kashe wani jeje. Wallahi kan Alhaji Mahmud Bamiya da Samira Bamiya na yin kashe wani jeje. So the last chance mu ce na waɗanga mutane biyu kan politics na cikin kasan Ghana. Musulman Ghana ba mu son wawanci.
Nyina yetua ne taku sempoa obi akari koko be bagidu wakwa ne yama ne 5 million. Satam 31 million sunka 300 and something million. Ai wakwa ne yama ne 5 million no de abeto nkinedi. No asan fafom ko no akwaji 2 million no de abeto ayi kobi. Sa ya shisika no. Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe. Emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni ho tono. Wonwene hwe na so ne ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsemhunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na kokko ekuani akwaji ni sika otuko no kan yese ka mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno asa da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wahwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai Mama ba otua sika wo ya yede Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua because oya Ghana ni nkan Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition o kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so kofo na be stop we nyina ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo nwu omumfuo tukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Amerikani na wa hihye da che de ama no gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na uhwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na uhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awu no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene una wo hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So I can, in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuye because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say NPP for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warning was such a me me na me go catch you John Dramani Mama so all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization you start to say yeah, most there be. Digitalization and to kinki, it mo pe kinki sika. It's a mamu papa na ba, omo mamu kinki, mamu ade na mo kam. You come here. And you John Dramani Mama could not say and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now more than kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried him and now to me who let be a yoke for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey. Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.
Or